This is A Course of Love, reading 82. We will be beginning the chapter called The Embrace. And we start with the last paragraph of the last reading. The Holy Spirit exists in your right mind and is the bridge to exchange perception for knowledge. Knowledge is light, and the only light in which you can truly see. You will not truly desire to unite your mind and heart in wholeheartedness until you see clearly. One purpose of the distinctions you have made between mind and heart are their ability to keep one part of yourself blameless. Whatever happens, your divided notion of yourself allows you to both protect and conceal. Fault always lies elsewhere. The guiltless part of you is always free to redeem the guilt-filled self. This idea of self-redemption has long been a culprit that has kept union, even with your own self, undesirable to you. This concept that in oneness there is no need for blame or guilt or even for redemption is inconceivable to the separate mind, but not to the heart. Chapter 20, The Embrace. Your longing now has reached a fever pitch, a burning in your heart quite different from that which you have felt before. Your heart may even feel as if it is stretching outward, straining heavenward, nearly to bursting with its desire for union, a desire you do not understand, but can surely feel. This is a call to move now into my embrace and let yourself be comforted. Let the tears fall and the weight of your shoulders rest upon mine. Let me cradle your head against my breast as I stroke your hair and assure you that it will be all right. Realize that this is the whole world, the universe, the all of all in whose embrace you literally exist. Feel the gentleness and the love. Drink in the safety and the rest. Close your eyes and begin to see with an imagination that is beyond thoughts and words. You are no longer the object viewing the subject of the kingdom. You are the heart of the kingdom's beauty revealed. The beloved child suckled at the breast of the Queen Mother Earth, one child of one mother, nameless and beyond naming. No I resides here. You have given up the vision of your eyes and the I of your ego. You are loosed of bounds, no longer a thing of beauty, but beauty itself. Thingness is over, and your identity no longer stands in form, but flows from life itself. Your beauty is the gathering of the atoms, the order and chaos, the silence and solitude, the grace of the cosmos. Our heart is the light of the world. We are one heart. We are one mind. One creative force gathering the atoms, establishing the order, blessing the silence, gracing the cosmos, manifesting the light of the heart. Here we live as one body, experiencing communion, the soul's delight rather than otherness. It is a seamless world, a tapestry where each thread is vibrant and strong, a canticle where each tone is pure and invisible. And this was reading 82. Take a deep breath in. Enjoy today.